Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to germinate moringa seeds faster. Moringa seeds can be a bit stubborn, but with the right approach, you can see sprouts much quicker. We'll cover easy, effective methods that boost your germination success. Get ready to transform your gardening efforts and enjoy healthy moringa plants sooner. This simple guide will help you achieve excellent results with minimal fuss. Pre-treating your moringa seeds is crucial for faster germination. Start by soaking them in warm water for about 24 hours. This softens the hard outer shell. Next, gently nick the seed coat with a nail clipper or use sandpaper to create a small opening. This allows water to penetrate more easily. Some gardeners also recommend a brief soak in a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution to sterilize and further encourage sprouting. Once pre-treated, plant your moringa seeds about 1 inch deep in a good quality, well-draining soil mix. You can use small pots or seed trays. It's important to keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid making it waterlogged, as this can lead to rot. Aim for a warm environment, ideally with temperatures between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, to encourage rapid sprouting. For optimal growth, ensure your young moringa seedlings receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. If growing indoors, a grow light can be very beneficial. Protect them from harsh winds and sudden temperature drops, especially when they are still small and vulnerable. Consistent warmth and light are key to developing robust plants. Also, check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.